In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Steam library and create automatic collections. This feature can really help you organize your game library with ease, making your gaming experience much more streamlined and enjoyable. So let's dive into it. First things first, open your Steam app. If it's not already installed, you can download it from the official Steam website. Once you've got the app running, you'll see the familiar login page. Click on login to access your account. Now, enter your account name and password. It's always a good idea to ensure your login details are secure, so make sure you use a strong password. Once you've entered your credentials, click on sign in. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. From here, we'll navigate to the library section. The Steam library is essentially your hub for game management, so getting familiar with it is key to making the most of your games. In the library, look for an icon with 4 squares. This represents your collections. Click on this icon to access your game collections. If you've never used collections before, this part may look a little empty, but don't worry, we'll be filling it up shortly. Next, you'll want to click on Create New Collection. This is where the real organization begins. Choose a name for your collection that you'll easily recognize and remember. This could be anything from favorite RPGs to games to finish. Naming your collection well can save you time later on. Now, for something really cool, select Dynamic to enable automatic sorting within your collection. This allows games to be added to the collection based on criteria you set, which is a huge time saver if you have a lot of games. You can filter by game state, such as whether the game is installed or ready to play. You can also sort by genre or store tags, giving you incredible flexibility in organizing your library. Once your filters are all set up, don't forget to save the collection. This step is crucial to ensure everything you've done so far sticks. With your collections created, you can even customize your library homepage. You can add custom shelves to highlight favorite collections, which makes browsing your library a much nicer experience. Finally, if there's a particular game you want in a collection without it meeting the filter criteria, you can still manually drag and drop games into your collections. This feature offers the best of both worlds: automatic organization with room for personal touches. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've turned your Steam library into an organized, efficient space that helps you get the most out of your gaming sessions. Thanks for tuning in and happy gaming.